Respected principal, teacher, and my brother and sister, first of all, hearty greeting to all of you on the birth anniversary of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Today, we all are celebrating the birthday of a historical and important person, and that is Chhatrapati Shivaji. Chhatrapati Shivaji has made his unique identity in Indian history, and his contribution is extremely important in the development of our country. Shivaji Maharaj proved himself not only as an excellent warrior but also as a devout king. He fought for freedom, protected his people, and defended justice and society. The life of Shivaji Maharaj gives us many important lessons. His bravery, courage, dedication, and devotion inspire us to acquire the same quality in your lives, and thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नेक्स्ट